So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we try to solve an issue wherein many users, especially Android users of Redmi devices, have complained of voice over LTE network, the VoLTE feature, turning on and off, it not being constant or something like that. Now before we begin, please understand that voice over LTE is a feature of LTE, that's pure 4G. So in case your SIM is not compatible or your mobile hardware isn't compatible, this obviously isn't going to work. Now, assuming that those things are taken care of, let's kind of look at the setup we have and the steps that you need to troubleshoot this issue. So let's begin. So first things first, this is a Redmi Note 9 Pro Max version that we have, and you can see right at the top we don't have the VoLTE pairing. Well, this phone is capable of supporting voice over LTE network VoLTE, and we do have a compatible SIM as well. We head towards the connections, we go to SIM cards and mobile networks, and here you will see the SIM is appearing along with the number. We click on that and we enable VoLTE. As soon as we enable VoLTE, you will see that the VoLTE symbol has started to appear. Now, what many people are complaining is that this doesn't stay like this. After some time, it tends to be on and be off. So one thing that I will advise is kind of go to the preferred networks and just enable only LTE, not any of the other type, because like you understand that this uses your 4G or the LTE connection to make calls. So in case the connection switches between LTE and 3G or something like that, well, if you don't have 4G LTE, the VoLTE won't be there. Now, one more thing that you can try doing, especially if you're using a Redmi phone, is try going to the dial pad and dial in this code star hash 4636. This is called the BIOS test code hash star, and you will enter this screen. Now in this screen, depending on the SIM that you have, like this is for the first SIM, this is for the second SIM, you will see like in case like you go down and the mobile radio power is turned off, please turn it on because the radio power has to be turned on. So you scroll down and you turn it on, and likewise turn the VoLTE provision on, the video VoLTE, video calling on, everything like this thing you can turn on. So this radio power needs to be turned on. Now if it's already turned on, just turn it off for some time, just hold on for some seconds and then turn it back on. Now please do this for your calling SIM. So like you may be having dual SIM, so like whichever is your calling SIM, the first SIM or the second SIM, you need to do this for that SIM. So suppose my calling SIM is the first SIM and I see that the radio power is turned off, so I need to turn it on. In case it was turned on already, like I will turn it off and then I will turn it back to on, and I will subsequently turn everything else to on as well. This needs to be turned on. So with this being turned on, just go ahead and reboot the phone once. So the rebooting really helps. Many people say that after rebooting they are able to see the voice over LTE feature and that it remains stable. Please do understand that you need to have a steady 4G connection for this feature to be always there. Also, you can try resetting the APN settings. We have a tutorial for that. But hopefully with these two little things, your Redmi VoLTE connection will always be there, will always be steady. Do let us know that if this helped. If it did, please consider subscribing to this channel and please do share our work with your friends. Thank you so much. It's me, Amnan, signing off. Hopefully I catch you in the next one.